welcome to another HubSpot video by RevPartners. Today we're talking about how to edit permissions and how to select what roles you're picking for the new users you have. So fundamentally, there's two different types of users. There's a super admin that will have access to all tools, all setting, everything to be able to make changes very quickly inside the CRM. And then there's the users. And these are where you pick by hub which permissions you're going to allow that specific user to have. Now we break these down to two: who gets the super admin and who gets the user access by a hub. Well, our recommendation is this. For super admins, anybody that's doing the revenue operation, that's managing the team, that's operating like the sales manager or the marketing manager, or you have a revenue operations or operations hub person, that they get super admin. Make it very quick. Number two is anybody, if you have a HubSpot consultant that's helping you, they should also get super admin so they can quickly make changes, make updates to make your life better. For users, this is going to be anybody that has very specific uses in HubSpot. Okay, now let's get, how do you do this and how do you do it quickly? Let's get into HubSpot and let's show you. First, we log into HubSpot. Once we log into HubSpot, we then go and click the settings button on the top right. That top right settings then brings us to our settings page. And so on the left side, we go to users and teams. This then enables us to start making edits to permissions. So you can either change edits when you add a new user, but also you can make edits to permissions once they're already in. Let's take and let's search for Matt Bolian. If I come in, first you go down to edits, I can remove super admin. So I am super admin and I want to, let's say I want to edit that, or I can just click edit. I'm going to go to edit. So you see super admins have all access. I'm going to remove super admin for myself. I can also, if I'm doing this, make super admin. And so there's really, you're either a super admin or you're not. If you're a super admin, you have access to all these hubs. As an individual user, you have to come and you have to choose by hub what you would like this user to have access to. So for instance, CRM access. Do you want them to be able to edit deals? Inside deals, is it just what they own? Is it what their team owns? None. And you're going through each one of these and selecting what they're going to do. Can they edit forms? Should they be able to change list files for the marketing tools? Are they going to be able to publish ads or just read them? Are they going to be able to publish and write emails or just read them? And you can start looking through each one of these, and you have that's how you create a user specific permission list. Okay, guys, I hope that explains everything for how you're changing permissions.